Court calls the case of the People versus Alexis Brown.
Christina Bear, people.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perry on behalf, well, not on behalf of Ms. Brown. We are the attorney of record on this case. When I did meet with Ms. Brown, she informed me she wants to represent herself.
Your name?
Alexis Brown.
All right. Is that correct that you want to represent yourself?
Yes, it is.
So in this matter, Ms. Brown, I do have to inform you that the complaint in this case alleges that on or about June 8, 2024, location of 3001 Woodland Hills Drive in Pittsfield, Washington County, State of Michigan, that you did commit the offense of assault and or assault and battery against a Latasha Browning. Do you understand what you're charged with?
Yes, I do.
That is a misdemeanor, punishable by 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. Do you understand the maximum penalties?
Yes, I do.
There are certain things that are fraught in self-representation in terms of understanding the Michigan court rules and in terms of the court procedure. You would need to understand that if you would like to represent yourself, that you would be held to the same standard as any other attorney.
Mm-hmm.
The court will not be assisting you in any fashion whatsoever. You understand that?
Okay, so the time that I served, don't that counts for the 93 days?
I'm sorry?
The time that I served already, don't that counts for the 93 days?
I don't know how much time you,
I served 30 days already.
and if you serve 30 days, it may count. I'm trying to look at what your bond is on this case. What do you have a bond?
And then no contact with the victim as well.
And the monetary amount, 5,000, 10%, then it should count. Yes, ma'am.
And so I have a question. So when I was arrested, I wasn't actually told my rights. So ain't that against the law that you wasn't told your rights when you arrested me? Well, not you, but the officer.
I cannot,
You can't do nothing about it right now?
I
All right, I just want to state that.
can't answer that.
I just want to state it.
All right.
Okay,
Stated.
it's on record, right?
So
Okay.
what do you want this set for, ma'am?
I mean, Your Honor, we have no offer at this time.
Do you want it set for a trial, ma'am?
Sure, I guess, I guess.
You want a jury trial or a non-jury trial?
It doesn't really matter.
Well, you got to make a decision, ma'am.
If it gotta go to trial, then it gotta go to trial.
Okay. Do you want a jury trial or not?
It doesn't matter.
You have to make a decision, ma'am.
It could have a jury, fine, that's fine with me.
Jury final settlement conference in this matter will be set for 17th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Jury selection in this matter, October 20th, 2025 at 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person. Thank you.
So am I free to go? So why am I not free to go? If she just said she got a bond,
Pardon?
why am I not free to go? Why do I gotta serve time when I'm not even?
You have a bond on the case, ma'am.
So if I get my money, I can get out. But she just said it was no bond.
Post bond, you can get out.
So I'd rather post bond. So where do I go from here?
You need to post the bond.
Okay, what's the bond? Cause you just asked her the same thing. Cause she said
5%.
it's $500.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'd rather post bond. Where do I go from there?
And you can go post bond.
Okay, thank you.
It's your fault, parenting. Your fault. You just like suckered me into that. You got up there and then just said, well, we're the attorney of record, but
Oh, we're starting off the morning with a series of bad decisions already. This is wonderful.
Yeah, I know, but they're all by Kearney. The whole
Ex-
McDonald's thing and then this and
This,
okay, let's try this one. I'm gonna pass the matter. Mr. Allen, you can place him in back. I will decide on what his bond is and everything else. You need to go with my bailiff, sir. He did. He said something. Mr. Drains, can you state your name, please?
I, Cartier Amani Drains, hereby declare that I am a living, breathing human being, a natural person distinct from any legal or corporate entity or fiction. I do not consent to be
Okay.
represented or binded by any assumed legal identity or straw man. I assert my full rights under natural law and constitutional protection as a sovereign individual. I stand before this court to represent myself. All legal matters pertaining to the charges brought against me. I reject any notion or claim that my person may be divided, operated or substituted by any separate legal entity. I affirm that all statements, evidence, and arguments I present are made on behalf of my living self, fully understanding my rights and responsibilities as a free individual.
Hey, you finished? All right, the court on its own motion is going to adjourn this because we're going to have an issue here. I have a feeling. I'm going to adjourn this probable cause hearing next week, August 7th, 2025. That's at 9 a.m. That is in person. He must be here so that I can hear him clearly in terms of what he wishes to say.
Yes.
Bond at this time will continue. Thank you.
Thank you. I'll follow up with you. Thank you.
It does call the case of the people versus Stephen Javon.
Hannah Mackey on behalf of Mr. Javon, who's approaching.
Big DA had my social security backwards and everything. Had me at the wrong birthday. I was born on Christmas, 12/25/66.
Your Honor, we're requesting to adjourn this
Can
matter.
you state your name for the record, sir?
Red Crockett. I haven't had any income or nothing. They shut down. I didn't put my name at this. I didn't put my
Hang
birthday.
on a second, sir. Have you ever gone by the name of Stephen Javon?
Yeah, they had me listed at that name. That's my.
They had that listed as your name, but you're saying your name is something different now?
They had me listed at that name. I didn't know. I woke up from what they were doing to me. I had attempts to kill me, man. I hadn't had a night's sleep or nothing. Right now, my health is down, man. I'm suffering from a gunshot wound from segregation, in which I'm
Okay,
still going
no,
through
no.
stuff. I left a hospital with open wounds. Something
Okay.
that happened
Okay, but I just
not
need
too
to
long
know.
ago. And then you were part of something. I'm really excited conflict of interest with this. I'm really just excited to kill this case, man. Because this case is, they got me the last day of the art fair. The last day of the art fair, I'm asking you to kill the case.
What art fair?
That's what happened to me. They made a false report and they got me.
Okay, all right.
This stuff, crazy
Hold on,
stuff.
hold on. At some point, I myself or some other judge will hear all of your complaints. I just need to know, do I have the person in front of me that this complaint pertains to? So that's why I'm asking you. You've been known by the name Stephen Javon before at some point, correct?
Yeah.
Okay,
Or I was.
all right. Counsel, what do you want to do on this?
Approach, please.
No,
May we
I can't keep going
approach?
because I ain't had no income. I can't keep going that stuff with it. Just doing stuff to me. I've had
this is
many
gonna be
cases.
important. It's okay, yeah, come on.
This is an open and shut state. I shouldn't be.
All right. Go ahead. Okay, what are we, record to reflect, you had a brief bench conference in this case. What are we doing with this man?
Your Honor, the people would like to request that there is an order for a competency evaluation. That is on a people's motion. I think that given what we've just heard from the defendant, it's an appropriate request at this time.
Any statement?
Valuation,
Any-
and they almost killed me. Man,
Sir,
better get me out this
Sir,
room, man. They
sir,
almost killed me, man.
sir,
I can't keep
sir.
going through this, man.
sir.
I'm not gonna go
Sir.
through no evaluation because I got an education, man. I'm not going through that no more.
Sir.
You did this last time to me, man. It's already a conflict of interest. I don't even- Yeah. I'm just saying.
I'm gonna say,
He
sir,
got-
I'm gonna say,
now.
sir, one
I
more
had a
time.
Reaction to that.
Sir?
Almost was dead from that allergic reaction, man. You and Collins, man. Already a conflict of interest.
I'm gonna order a competency evaluation, parental
I'm gonna order you
evaluation.
for a competency evaluation, man.
Yeah.
I'm finna sue y'all, man.
You wanna know
Don't leave
what?
here.
You keep talking, we're gonna have a problem.
I'm
'Cause
not
I'm
gonna
gonna
get no
get through- I'm
evaluation
gonna
from
get
you.
through-
You're not gonna do
I'm
to
gonna
be a
get through this hearing.
Yeah.
All right?
Not
If
gonna-
you don't want to conduct yourself appropriately, then we'll sit you in back until you can come out and conduct yourself appropriately.
I ain't going to no competency evaluation. I don't need no competency. I had medication I shouldn't even have in me. I almost
I'm gonna let
died,
you
man.
go
I'm
on
not gonna
and try
be
to
in,
get it
I'm
all
not gonna
out.
be under no pressure with no medication. I'm not gonna be taking something that I'm not.
All right, I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I've given you 2 warnings. I'm gonna pass the matter. Mr. Allen, you can place him in back. I will decide on what his bond is and everything else. You need to go with my bailiff, sir.
Man, you sitting there. I'm finna
You need
get you
to
in trouble.
go with
Okay.
him. Call
I'm a-
security, call security down.
Courtroom the same way, but man, you escort the same way. You a part of something that did something to me, man. all the time.
You guys might want to go check back there. That I don't know what's gonna happen. Okay.
That's his back.
What?
Backpack.
What about his backpack?
Oh, it's your backpack? Oh, I was like,
You can take it home with you. I'm not, well, they'll get it.
yeah.
Just leave it there. I am not worried about that backpack.
Should be.
I'll pass this matter and we'll come back to it,
Thank you.
maybe.
So make it.
Court calls case people versus Justin Duffany.
Victoria Byrne Harris, Assistant Prosecutor here on behalf of the people.
Kyle Burrell on behalf of Mr. Duffany, who's approaching the podium as we speak. Mr. Duffany, please introduce yourself to the court. Thank you, Judge. Today's the date and time set for probable cause conference. I was just appointed on this matter yesterday afternoon. So we are asking for a brief adjournment for discovery and for plea negotiations. At this time, there's also a bond violation or a.
There is.
Yes, Judge. So I spoke to Mr. Duffany. He went to community corrections yesterday at 4:20 p.m., but he did not have the money to test, so he was unable to. We did discuss today. He's going to go immediately to community corrections after this. I do have an email from community corrections to confirm that he was
Is
there.
he gonna
yesterday.
test clean?
I believe so, Judge. Yes. He's on what?
Are you gonna test clean?
I'm on Suboxone. I'm prescribed Suboxone.
You're prescribed it? I'll pass it. He needs to get over there and test and then come back.
So thank you, Judge.
I'm not doing it anymore. Takes too long. Just go on. Okay. Court recalls the case people versus Justin Duffany.
Good afternoon again, Your Honor. Victoria Byrne Harris, Chief Assistant Prosecutor appearing on behalf of the people.
Kyle Burrell back on the record with Mr. Duffany. Justin, please state your name for the record.
Justin Duffany.
I've seen the results, Judge, and I have gone over them with Mr. Duffany.
He doesn't have a prescription for cocaine, Mr. Allen.
I would assume no. Gonna be all right. Gonna be all right.
All right, I'm going to adjourn the probable cause conference to August 14th, 2025, 9 a.m. His bond at this time, given the violation, his bond is revoked. Defendant